Wanna get right if you had left, nigga. A lot of shit been on my mind, ain't got no space left. My homie face.
Bless up.
Dang, what is up with y'all boys, man? I'm coming back at y'all with another video. It's been a minute, like it's always been a minute. New camera, new everything. Then we get a new camera in a new spot. I wish I could face the other way and record the video, but it is what it is, bro. The sun is too harsh and I couldn't get the lighting right. The lens, I thought the lens could fight through the sun and I could like get it right, but it was just overly exposed, and I would have had to overly expose the motherfucking image of the quality of the video or whatever. That's all some nerdy shit that y'all don't really care about. Anyways, you feel me? Y'all new to the channel, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's run it up, man. 2023 was cracking. Hope y'all enjoyed that apartment tour that I did drop. So I did drop a new apartment tour of this apartment. So if y'all want to know where I live at, make sure y'all go, tune in, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm living real luxury-ish. You feel me? I'm living in another bachelor pad, you feel me? Higher living, as some people would call it. That's not what y'all came here for, man. Y'all came here for the title and the thumbnail. Know y'all been seeing these big ass red boots circulating the internet. Everybody going viral wearing them. I've been wanting to make this video when I first seen them. Now, if you don't know, Mschf, they always creating like very crazy, they always got some crazy ass ideas when it come to like certain like sneakers, like fashion type things, or like I remember one time they even made popsicles though, you feel me, with like billionaires on them. It's crazy. And then I don't know if y'all recall, they're the ones that made the Air Maxes with the blood in it, that was for Lil Nas X. They also made another version of Vans. It was like I don't know, it was weird, man. Y'all go look it up, but I'm probably put the pictures on the screen anyways so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Back to these big ass red boots. That's what I'm calling them, big ass red boots, you feel me? A lot of celebrities been wearing them. The latest person I seen wearing was Coyle Ray. She performed, I think, at one of the NBA basketball games. I don't know what game it was. I think it was the Brooklyn Nets halftime show she performed. She had on the big ass red boots. I seen 5-year foreign with them on. First NBA player I seen with them on. Probably the only one that have worn them so far is SGA, point guard, shooting guard that plays for Oklahoma City Thunder, bro. That boy came in swagging. The game that LeBron had went and passed, you feel me, Kareem, for scoring leader in the NBA, bro. Buddy came and that thing went viral. Buddy had on big ass pants and the big ass red boots. I like SGA trying to show out, boy. He trying to show out. That boy trying to go viral. That's the only NBA player I've seen that have worn them so far. And I sorry said 5-year. Oh yeah, and Lil Wayne had them shits on, man. What the GOAT himself, Lil Wayne had them on, bro. No cap. I was like, damn, Wayne? But see, Wayne always been the one to be wearing crazy shit, bro. You can go Google all of his shit, even like growing up, like when he started to become like I'm the best rapper alive. I eat your heart out and shit like that. I eat your head and all that shit. And when he started becoming that Wayne, yeah, he started wearing, man, I know y'all remember when Wayne wore jeggings, bro. This nigga literally wore jeggings. I think it was a VMA's performance. I think that nigga had on cheetah print jeggings. Well, people was calling them jeggings. I don't know if they was jeggings for real, but it was tight. That was when like skinny jeans was really like starting to pop off, and like Wayne was low-key taking that shit far as fuck. But Wayne came popped out with the jeggings, so Wayne, I low-key expect Wayne to wear some shit like this. In my opinion though, of the shoe, in my honest opinion, shoe actually cool as fuck. I'm just saying, look, hear me out. The shoe is actually cool. A normal person, like, I can't just be walking around this motherfucker wearing them shits. Like, obviously, you feel me? I can't just put them on. People gonna look at me crazy. Like, I feel like that's like a celebrity or somebody with a higher status, like in that realm, gotta wear them because, like, you know what I'm saying? It just wanna look awkward. Like, it'll look awkward for an everyday civilian like myself who wear them out to like a bar or some shit. Even though everybody would be like, bro, I know for a fact everybody would be on my ass. They were like, damn, bro, this shit's clean as fuck. And, oh, bro, what the fuck, bro? You got the fucking... I know niggas would be OD hype about it, but like, it'll just be like, not weird, but it'd be like, what the fuck? Like, cuz tripping. Cause I don't think everybody in the world know about these boots. So, like, say if I wore them motherfuckers to like Publix or some shit. You know how many pictures people will be taking of me? But like I said, man, honestly, I think it's a cool looking boot, man. It's cool, it's a vibe. Would I ever buy them? No, I would not buy them. But they are releasing on February 16th from what I seen when I did my little research. You know, I be doing my Googles before I try to do these videos, try to get y'all correct information. But so they are releasing February 16th for $350. They are retailing at $350. I think they got them on StockX. I think the resale value is at like $1,200. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's what I've seen. They're probably going up or down. People want to, you know, buy them. I'm pretty sure you're gonna see somebody at SneakerCon with these on. Like I gotta look and see when SneakerCon gonna have their next event, but I'm pretty sure 100% someone. I would say at least 3 people are gonna have these boots. 100% somebody's gonna have them on. 100%, mark my words. Like I said, these are retailing at $350. Now I want y'all to leave in the comments, would y'all cop or not? Or are y'all gonna try to cop these and try to resell them? I know how y'all is out there, y'all little resellers out there. Have nothing against resellers now. So I'm just saying. Also, if you happen to get them, would you actually wear them out to a party? Would you wear them out? Like, where would you consider wearing these? Like, you feel me? I feel like these would have to be like, if I get them, it has to be like, I would have to wear them to like a fashion show or something. It has to make sense to where you wear these at, you know what I'm saying? It just has to make sense. Like I said, you can't just wear these to Publix. You can't just wear these just to a random bar, to the club or some shit. It has to have to do something with, damn, that's a tongue twister. Fuck, it has to have. Anyways, it has to have to do something with fashion. Like, you gotta be at a fashion show, something something where you gotta get creative with your outfit or something like that, modeling, some shit like that. Certain shit isn't meant to be worn regularly. Some of that shit that y'all see in fashion shows that be so crazy, you can't just wear some of that shit out in public. Like, hey, why the fuck are they wearing it? Is that fashion? What the fuck? No, you can't wear some of that shit out in public on a regular day-to-day basis, you feel me? But I just feel like that's how it is with these boots. This has to do something with fashion, or like I said, if you live, you're a famous rapper, like how you see the rappers wearing them now, niggas going viral. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm rambling. I don't know. I guess you can't be a regular motherfucker wearing these. I'm just saying, but to each his own. Like I said, these aren't a bad looking shoe. It's just funny. It look like a cartoon boot. Like, the boot looks like a cartoon boot. Like, it's a trolley ass shoe and it's hilarious to me. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. New to the channel, man, make sure you join the gang. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Dig what I'm saying, man. It is the one and only MajorKixx.
We ain't even out in Turks, you finna take sand. Riding around with F and then we like to hold hands.
Shit I did, I picked up a bit. You know, we was running and we picked up some chick. She wanted to fuck. I was young, man. I done fucked her at the crib. I was living with my mama, man. My mama had got pissed off. I had to go to church in the morning. That bitch was from Tampa. Oh.
He dropped off.
I picked her in the car. I put her in the car and I was like, yeah, my cousin finna take you home. And she believed me. I dropped her off at a random nigga. I don't even know how she got home, man. I was that is shit. Sick. I fear Miss Jackson more than I do anybody.
Exactly.